Okay, so we're pretty much set up in our mist bed, which is where our vegetative propagation experiment is going to happen. We've got consistent or systematic setup. So we've got our first row with rooting hormone and then our second row without. So we've got our willow with and without. We've got our high bush cranberry with and without. We've got our dogwood with and without. And then we've got our balsam poplar, which I'm going to put in with and without. What we've done here is tried to get relatively even diameters. So, you know, this one and this one are relatively even. And that's just to try and keep things consistent so that we can get the best results possible. What we're going to do, once these are embedded or planted, every week we're going to carefully dig them out. We're going to show you what they look like at that point, and we're always going to do 1, 2, 3. So it's systematic. We can compare week to week what's happening. So in order to put them into the mist bed, we're just going to use our guider stick, and this is more important for the ones with the rooting hormone. If we just jam them in there, then we might wipe some of the hormone off. So we're just going to make a dummy hole, and then it's quite simple. We just take our cutting, stick it in there, and fill it in. And this mist bed is called that because there are all of these misters, these black things here, that are set on a timer, so they're going to come on and keep the substrate wetted. And that's important when we have trees that we are trying to propagate. So it's as easy as that. We're going to see, you know, what we expect is for these buds to flush and some callus and root growth off the bottom. So we'll show you what that looks like, and we'll show you how to apply the appropriate growth codes to each one. And we'll see what happens, see if we can make some baby trees.